Welcome back to Audacity Flips, everybody. Today is episode 2 of the $5, well, $6, $5 to $1,000 challenge. I'm excited. You guys know last episode, we kind of crushed it. We're at like $230 something. You guys will see the number somewhere up here of potential profit. Now, I've already sold the Seagate expansion drive, whatever it was, and I've already sold the water filter. The only thing I haven't sold is the webcam. So what I will be doing is I will just be using the revenue from those two, which I'll put somewhere over here, and we'll be using that to continue our journey to $1,000. Let's get into it, boys. Guys, first thrift store, and we came across these right here. Super Scope Storytelling Tarzan book, definitely faded, but they're brand new, still sealed, pretty cool. But this is why you have to check sold comps. I'm going to throw up what they're listed. I believe there's like 32 listed. And if you guys don't know how sold comps work, basically you just hit the filters, hit sold items, and you can see them. And the sold items are for the last 3 months. And in the last 3 months, only 3 of these have sold. Now, none of them have been in the packaging, but these are so sun faded. I just would never take a chance on it. 32 listed, 3 sold. That's like a, I don't know math very well. That's like a 5% sell-through rate within a 3-month time period. So in 3 months, there's like a 5% chance you're gonna sell it. Again, I'll throw it up on the screen. You guys have probably already seen it by now, but yeah, make sure you're checking those sold comps. Make sure you check through the sell-through rate to make sure they actually sell decently well. All right, boys, not looking good today. We are 5 stores in, and we've not found a single thing. Now, could I have gotten things? Yes. There's multiple things that I could have gotten, right? I could have bought quite a few things, actually, that would have netted a little bit of profit, but nothing crazy. Would have been spending like $2 to make like 10, 12. I think the most was like spending like $4 to make like 15, something like that. And I personally don't want to do that. I'm trying to get this challenge really moving in the right direction. So if you guys were out here doing that, then that'd be perfect. Honestly, if I was a beginner and I was just kind of starting out and I didn't have a ton of inventory like I do, then those are things that I would buy, right? Things that, spend $2 to make 10, spend $4 to make 15. Those are things that I do because you're just starting out, right? Because one of the really important things when you guys are starting out is you want to fill up your store. You want to build your store up so you have more than like 5 items or whatever. So don't be afraid to get those items. Personally, for me, with this challenge, I won't be buying those items unless it's like a really quick seller, right? Because everything also that I'm buying, I'm trying to flip very quickly. So keep that in mind, that you could be making some progress with these stores that we've been into. Every single store, there's been at least one thing that you can make at least $10 profit on. But for me, I'm looking for at least like $20 profit and stuff that sells relatively quickly, right? The stuff that's going to sell within 2 weeks is stuff that I'm trying to buy. So 5 stores in, nothing so far. I think we have 2 or 3 left. Hopefully you guys will see me in a store picking something up worth some money. Boys, so we went to the 5th store, struck out. This is the 6th store, or no, this is a 7th store. Sorry, I'm losing track. And finally struck it pretty big. I ended up getting 3 things, and they're all large items. Don't be afraid of large items whenever you're out thrifting. A lot of times people don't want to deal with the large items, and that's how you swoop in and get the good deal. So, what did I get? I got 2 big printers. Now, this one, don't know how well you guys can see that, is an HP Envy Photo 7855. I did test them in the store. They do work. They don't have ink, so I guess I can't test if they work with ink, but they power on. They didn't seem to have any sort of issues. This guy right here is gonna net me about anywhere from $60 to $80. You guys know I'll throw up sold comps, you guys will be able to see. But yeah, this will be like $60 to $80 plus shipping. So everybody that did sell them, sold them for like, I saw one that was, Jesus Christ, that sounds bad. But one of the people that sold one of these sold them for like $65 plus like $30 shipping or something like that. So that's pretty cool. Don't have to worry about shipping. And then we got the other one, which is the winner chicken dinner. That one is a HP Office Jet Pro 8100. Sorry if you guys hear that. That's literally somebody's car. Good God. And sorry about the wind as well. But that one is gonna net me like $150. So again, I'll throw up sold comps so you guys will see. $150. Let's just call the other one 60 bucks. It's $210 right there. That is beautiful. And I did get one more thing, which, sorry, I'm trying to get it here. A lot of people would sleep on this. Honestly, shout out to Chris, because he's the one who pointed this out, because honestly, it was rolled up and probably wouldn't have been able to tell even what it was. But this one is definitely odd, but you got to keep an eye out for OEM car stuff, okay? So this one is a, if I can get it out, it is a RAV4 trunk mat. This is an OEM Toyota trunk mat, and I paid, well, I'll get into that in a second. But I ended up picking it up, and it is going to net me on the low end $60. $60 is what I'll net. Shipping on this, it's really light. It's large, but it's really light. I'll probably just put it in a big poly bag. It's probably only gonna run me 15 bucks. But yeah, so if I want to get rid of it quick, 60 bucks, but most of them are selling for like $70, $80. So now it's time to get into what I paid for all of this, because I'm sure you guys are wondering, okay, well, I think the receipt literally just flew out of my pocket because I did have it and now I don't. Well, that's unfortunate, but the HP printer was the black one, the NV Photo. That one was $9, but it was a red tag. And if you guys have been to your thrift stores, I'm sure you guys have a similar thing. Red tags were 70% off today. The brown one, the HP Office Jet, that one was $12 full price, also a red tag, 70% off. And then the floor mat, that one was straight up $7, no discounts or anything there. So my total was $13.83 for this. So deduct $13.87 from our profits, but it's looking like with everything here, we're talking on the safe end, profit, pure profit, at least 200 bucks. You guys will see the number somewhere. So I don't know if we have any more stores to go to. If I don't, I'll do a proper intro, but hopefully we can find at least one or two more items. We'll find out. All right, you guys. Yeah, I know I have a new haircut, new outfit. I forgot, kind of like the last episode 1, I forgot to do the intro in episode 1. I forgot to do the outro in episode 2. So here we are. So I'll throw the numbers somewhere up on the screen. Maybe you guys have already seen them. I don't remember exactly what I recorded already. But episode 2, an absolute success, even though we thought that we were kind of like just striking out, went to 5 or 6 thrift stores, struck out, but one thrift store made up for it. That's why consistency matters. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Again, the total or something will be up here. I don't know exactly how far along we are. We've got to be a pretty good chunk, at least 30% of the way there or something. Again, you guys will know before I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Keep thrifting, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, make sure to check out my course down below if you guys want to turn eBay into a profitable side hustle or a full-time gig. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.